Welcome to another video. Today I'm doing a collab with a YouTuber named Sabrina Davidson. She does makeup and lifestyle videos, so definitely check her out. I'm putting the link in the description. I'm going to be following a couple of her tutorials, one about makeup and one with like a hairstyle thing, and we'll see how it goes because I'm kind of clueless when it comes to makeup and all that kind of stuff. If I had to say like how much I know about makeup, I know nothing. I literally know nothing. The most I've ever used is lipstick, but that was once, like once. So I went out shopping and I have some new foundation, mascara, all that stuff, powdery stuff, eyeshadow. I don't quite know the name of all this. Let's just get started. The first video is simple and easy makeup, and that seemed like the perfect video for me. It's an older video from Sabrina's channel, but yeah, we're just,
Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you this super simple makeup look, and I'm just starting off with Maybelline's BB cream. I'm just going to blend this in with my fingers. Then I'm taking some eye primer from Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to prime my eyes for eyeshadow. And then I'm taking a little bit of Naked from the Naked palette to help blend that out. Next, I'm just going to take some powder and powder all over my face using a big fluffy brush. Then I'm going to take a little bit of bronzer and just bronze up my face. And then I'm going to line my eyes. The last thing I'm going to do is apply some lip stain and lip gloss.
So now that I've got a full face of makeup and I'm looking snazzy as heck, might as well finish the look with a hairstyle, namely a Mickey Mouse themed hairstyle, and of course, there's a tutorial for that.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Sabrina and I hope you're having a super sparkly day. Today I'm showing you how I do my Mickey Mouse space buns. So I've got two different ways. One way makes the Mickey Mouse buns and the other one makes these cute little space buns.
Pull your hair up into a pigtail and tie it off with an elastic, but this time you pull all of your hair all the way through. I have really long hair, so this is kind of a little bit of a process.
And that's that. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you, Sabrina, for doing this collab with me. It was so much fun. Yeah, see you next time.